So this here is an AIM-45 Shrike missile. This is 50s and 60s technology here. And this one was used, it's still being used right now. So this missile is connected to the aircraft via this cable here under the wings. And it goes onto a piece that comes off of the wing to give it clearance. And this missile has fins that can move on it. So it can be directed towards a target. But unlike an AIM-9 Sidewinder missile, which uses heat-seeking, this missile cannot physically control itself to go towards its target.
Hi, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, hit that like button and also subscribe to this channel. For more exclusive content about this museum, check in the description below where you will find the YouTube channel of the museum. Better yet, if you're in the area, go check out the museum. It's one thing to see it on YouTube. It's another thing to see in person. Thanks for watching.